Hello everyone, happy Friday. Welcome back to the live trading with Golden Girl again. Hi Cameron, thank you so much for joining my stream today so on time. How are you? Okay, so tomorrow will be a very grateful weekend is coming. Yeah, thank you so much for your hearts. Thank you, I love that. Okay, so now I will do a brief analysis about gold market today in a London session today. Okay, so this is the 1 hour trend line. Let's go back to the 1 hour chart. And we will see that gold is still under this trend line. Yeah, and it cannot break out strongly to heading to the above level. And when it just touching to the resistance at the level 33.48, now gold continue to drop. Yeah, drop down anyway. And the below resistance support zones that we need to be pay attention to is around 33.31 level. Okay, so now we will see which side that the market will choose in today at the end of today's London session. And remember, today the market will have a lot of important news. Okay, so we need to pay attention to the market when we decided to trade, especially in the New York session. Core retail sales, and prelim consumer sentiment. Yeah, core retail sales will happen around 2 hours ago, 2 hours later. Yeah, and be disciplined to your trade. And in 1 hour chart, you can see that gold is starting, is continue dropping from this level. Yeah, this is the pivot point, which is the touching point from the trend line of 1 hour chart. Is it better for us to follow the sell signal in today's session? Hi Bear, hi Cameron. So my friends, comment to me that which signal do you prefer today, buy or sell? Comment buy or sell, which one you prefer. Okay, we will warm up our today's stream a bit before we set up any new signal today. Oh, my dear friend, please comment in English so let everyone understand. I don't understand. Okay, you could say sell. Yeah. Can you change your language? Yeah, your keyboard is in your mother tongue language. Buy, I see. But now it's in a narrow range and gold is heading to the corner. Yeah, it's heading to the narrow corner here. And the market will answer for us which size is that they choosing in a few minutes later. At least 25 minutes. Yeah, we will wait for this candle close in a 1 hour chart. And so far is that the market is still under a lot of selling pressure, and this is nearly a powerful selling pressure for everyone to trade, follow the trend line. And because the market is getting narrow to the corner of two trend line and support line, so I will not decide to enter any scalping signal from this area. Today I start my stream a bit late because I just finished my private stream on my YouTube, on my VIP members signal group. Yeah. lasting for 1 hour to share the stories and experience to all my VIP members. And recently in my VIP signal group that we have the buy signal at the entry zone 39 to 38 is running around 60 pips, and then it's already hit this break even. It already hit the break even. No volume, it should go up. Oh, you are now observing the trading volume, right? Okay, so let's see how we use the volume profile for this area. Okay, hang on a second. Let me choose this. Okay, it's a very low volume as this entry. 38. It's getting lacking off the volume, trading volume as the level 38. So which mean the seller stopped selling, right? And we're starting to see the buyers is coming to dominate the market. This is the signal based on the EMA confluence with the previous resistance zone, right? Alright, please check BTC. Okay, so we will check a bit regarding to the BTC. And every day I publish my analysis regarding to the BTC USD on my channel. I wonder if you already joined in my channel on Telegram yet? Yeah, you should do it because it's very convenient for you, especially in trading BTC, because every day I publish the analyze report regarding to the BTC USD on my channel. Okay, so we can see that now the market just moving sideways after it having a drastically falling, right? Now just moving sideways and it's stuck between 3 EMAs here. So we need to a very significant candle, a very powerful bullish candle here breakouts from the above line, above border 118,400 level, 402 level. Okay, because whenever I speak, the price of BTC is gonna be taking too much letter number. Okay, so this is the highest border, and now you can see that the market is just moving sideways from this area, and we identify the market trend. Now it's sideways, and there's still a lot of fair value gap above here, so it's likely having more chance to fill this gap from the previous drastic bearish momentum was in yesterday, 2 p.m. yesterday. Okay, in the small time frame the market is just moving sideways anyway. So now if you want to enter any signal regarding to BTC, we need a specific movement of the market, okay, before we decide to enter buy or sell signal, long or short. Anyway, that in the big time frames like weekly time frame, it still follow the current uptrend, but now it's not good position for you to enter any buy position, any long position. It's forming a doji. This is a dragonfly doji candle on the top. So this is indicate for the very strong bearish momentum now starting to control the market. Okay, so you need to pay attention to the market and be careful to your any decision relating to buy position. And besides, it's still far away from the current EMA. Yeah, this is the EMA 34, and now you can see price is too far away from the EMA. So it's gonna be 10-2 coming back and touch to the below trend line before it's moving to further reaction of the market. Yeah, so this is in the week time frame. Okay, so let's coming back in the daily time frame. Gradually increasing, right? This is the trend line from the daily time frame, and we shouldn't. Yeah, if you want to open any position, we shouldn't hold it for too long, because today is already Friday, and yeah, even though that the market is still open at weekend, but it's very dangerous for us to trade BTC at weekends because we do not know what is coming and what is waiting for us. There's a lot of unexpected news as well. So for me now, it just waits for the market move clearer. Yeah, moving clearer before it decided to follow any downtrend or uptrend. Okay, and if you want to receive the specific analyze report, you can click to the link that I put in description box and paste it to your chart, to your message on Telegram, and then you click it. It will direct you to my channel on Telegram. Okay, so now let's go back to gold. Yeah, this is our favorite market, right? This is our favorite market. In the 15-minute time frame, now is just lack of selling pressure. Just lack of selling pressure. But let's wait for the market decide. This is the significant level. Okay, it's forming a below support here, but the market is struggling. Yeah, is it getting balance between the buyers and seller at the moment? Not yet. Yeah, there's not upcoming signal, so let's wait. Whenever I just post the signal on the chart is the active. Now I just do the analysis for the market to help you understand about the specific levels of the market now is moving. And yeah, as I just mentioned, is that it's just for moving sideways. Yeah, unfortunately that today's stream is when the market's moving sideways, so it will be taking too much time. Yeah, it will be taking some time for us to wait for the signal setup. Low volatile market on big time frame. Yes, it is. How do you read the volume chart? Do you mean this bar, right? Okay, but first we need to open this. Okay, click to the tool. This one, find the simple fixed range volume profile. Here, this is the volume profile, and then you choose the range you want to show the volume. Okay, and I will choose the range from this top to this bottom. Okay, from this top to this bottom, and then you make a line. Okay, you cross the line, and then it will appear this signal, this bars for you. Blue, the blue one is for buyers and the pink one is for sellers. Alright, yeah. So I will have another signal for you today's stream. Are you ready? Comments ready so that I can post the signal today. Comments ready. Oh, no one ready? No one getting ready for the current signal. Okay, just only Jave, only Jave. Alright. Okay, please wait because now focus on our main market today. Yeah, gold. So if anyone else have a different question, I will try to respond you soon. Alright, 4 pips left to hit our entry zone at the entry 39 to 41. And our stop loss level will be 44. Okay, so after understand the volume profile here, we can delete it to make our chart less complicated. Okay, just a few pips later that it will hit our current entry zone for today's stream. Yeah. And okay, KV XRP USD. I'm sorry that I didn't trade for this access, so I'm sorry that I cannot reply to you for this access. Yeah, because I need to learn about this access and before I decided to trade. So sorry that I cannot reply to you this time. And now we just focus on the gold market. And if you want to getting profits with me, you can consider to enter this scalping signal on the chart. Okay, thank you very much. Alright, we will have our first entry zone. And remember, when we have another better entry zone, you should close the bad one. Right? Close the bad position when the price pull back. Okay, another 40. Copy trading. Actually, that copy trading is not how to say, it's not illegal. Yeah, but it's not traditional. It's not traditional for the scalpers because sometimes I understand that you do not have time to focus 100% on your trading chart, right? because I already receive a lot of region like that. But for me, it's better for us to to learn about this journey, this market, and we need to follow some lessons when we decided to become a scalpers. Yeah, and we can control our capital on purpose, on our purpose, and no one can impact to this. Getting, yeah, it's gonna be risky, risky for us when we trade with copy trading. Start copy trading. It's kind of difficult for me actually. Yeah. Now the market is very challenging, and you know that we cannot guarantee our maximize our profit every day, right? No one can guarantee 100% win rate. Frustration and losses are the part of the game, and this is why only 10% traders only survive in this market. We need to be disciplined and practice every day if you want to get the good result. Yeah, that is when we grateful. We're getting grateful to the result we get. And for copy trading, it's easily making profit, but easily making your account blown away. Okay, so you can close the bad positions. Yeah, you can close 39. After having two entry zone 40 and 39, you can close the bad position 39. It also depends, and you can see my channel, my community is just focused on the scalping signal, and you can follow the swing trading, but as long as you have a good position. Now we cannot guarantee for the good position for too long, right? The market can be dropped drastically today, but tomorrow it's getting recover 100%, like nothing just happened. So yeah, for me now, scalping is still the most reasonable and suitable trading style that we should follow. Okay, so now it's heading up and our first 20 profit is running. My dear friend, yeah, we're getting around 20 pips profits running. Yeah. Okay, so anyone still haven't closed the bad position, you can consider to do it now after gaining around 10 pips profit. Yeah, it's sensational. Now please focus to the current scalping signal together. Yeah, you know that I'm too busy, occupied on my task from early morning until midnight. So now whenever we just have time to have real-time trading together, we should practice it. And now we just focus to the current signal. Yeah, it just gained around another 25 pips. It's running. Lovely. Alright, nearly 40 pips already. Nearly 40 pips. For me, just 35. Okay, so the reason why I set up for this entry zone, even though the market is still moving sideways, is that you can see that the previous candle is closed below the 39 level. So above here is still have the another trend line. Yeah, it's gonna be a small trend line here, and under the effect from the EMA 34. So these conditions confluence together to set up this sell scalping signal. Okay, close the part of the trade and hold the rest for the further taking profit. Don't forget that. Oh, you're quick in, quick out, my dear friend Elm. Yeah, you're truly a scalper. Quick in and quick out. Yeah, I love it. I love your style. Yeah, really. Okay, yeah, thank you so much. And yeah, just spend a part of your profit and tomorrow having a lot of beautiful time with your friends and your family. Okay, yeah, there's a lot of truly scalpers. 20 pips profit is okay for you, just getting satisfied. Okay, yeah. Anyway, that next time try to close apart. Yeah, because if the signal hitting more profit, more pips, you will be pity. And you cannot follow a risk reward ratio 1/1 rate, right? You just gain around 20 pips profit, and you can see the level of the stop loss level is up to 30 pips. Yeah, 40 to 30 pips. Anyway, that next time try to hold the profit for longer a bit. Yeah, bigger profit a bit. Okay, still heading down under the effect of EMA 34. I know that's just a few scalpers choose the EMA 34 to do analysis, but yeah, it's okay. You can choose whatever method you feel satisfied and you feel okay, confident for you to trade. Yeah, there are thousands of methods and tools on the market, so no worried about it, as long as we can have profit together. Okay, our next 45 pips is running. Yeah, it just break down from the below resistance, and now it's pulled back. Support zone, because of the wrong color. Okay, so now we change to blue. Yeah, blues indicate for the support level. Oh, really? Really, Bear? Really? You will hold it until I end my stream? Wow, how brave you are. Okay, you're so brave. Yeah, okay, trade your plan. Okay, thank you. As long as you feel it's satisfied for you to follow. Okay, so this is a few seconds later, this candle will close, and let's see that it continue to close below 737 level or not. Okay, so did you close the trade, my friend? Okay, since it continued forming a bearish candle in the beginning. Yeah, but now let's see that the buyer truly dominating the market or not. Okay, so it's just getting the control. Yeah, the buyers get the control of the market again. We can see that it's struggling. Yeah, it's struggling now. So anyone getting the profit today? Comment or send me the flowers. So let me know that how many friends getting profit from every stream from Nova. Okay, let's comment the flower or heart. Yeah. Okay, just a few hearts. It's flying. Can I sell now? Actually, that is too far away from our current entry zone. Okay, so we will wait for another opportunity. Okay, so yeah, that is very good news for me. Anyway, that is very happy for me whenever I start my stream on YouTube and all of us getting profit together, especially just for a short time, because we are scalpers, quick in and quick out, right? And what are you waiting for? To spend a part of your profit and join my VIP signal group on Telegram. You will receive more and more reliable scalping signal like this to trade from Asian session through to the New York session. Yeah, just less than 50 minutes and your capital will be multiple many times. So what are you waiting for? Really it is. If you want to enter round 2, you should lower your trading volume because the market already bringing profit to us for the first round, and it's gonna be less reliable for this entry zone if we decided to enter the round 2. Okay, so my advice for you is we should lower your trading volume and do not enter a lot of layers. Okay, do not enter a lot of layers. Okay, so now it's coming back to the entry zone. Okay, so anyone decided to enter the round 2? Yeah, back to the market. Anyone? Yeah, if you want to do it, lower your trading volume and do not enter a lot of layers. Yeah, trading layer. It will be very dangerous. Oh, what's a pity that the bot, the night bot, deleted a lot of comments. Maybe it's contained the ban word. Yeah, prohibit words. Okay, it's still heading up. Yeah, remember to lower your trading volume if you decided to re-enter. Okay, I just adjust my microphone. Yeah, I just adjusted. Okay, are you still here with me, my friends? Yeah, after getting around 45 pips profit? Are you still here? Yeah, wait until the end because I only have around 1 hour to trade with all of you. Yeah, don't leave it too soon. Okay. Okay, round 2 is running. Round 2 is running. Let me check. We have 39 level, and now it's continue running around 10 pips. Oh, maybe storms or rain. Yeah, storms or rains will cause the slow internet speed. Yeah. Okay. Oh, Pascal, you go now. Okay, see you next time. Yeah, see you next week. Have a lovely weekend. Our current signal didn't hit the break even. Yeah, if anyone set the break even, pay attention to it is not hit the break even at all. Hi Classic, are you my VIP member? Yeah, this is my first time I saw your comment, so I wonder if you're one of my VIP members or not. Okay, so anyone enter for the signal 40? Yeah, so now we still have a lot of time for the market to beat, to observe the opposite momentums at this struggling area. Oh, you just come here. Okay, so if you have around $48, yeah, that is enough fee for you to enter my VIP signal group, and I believe that you will gain profit easily from my signal group, VIP signal group. Okay, so send me the direct message on the chart. You can find me as Nova Scalper 86, or click to the link that I put in the description box, so that you can I can instruct you how to join my VIP signal group easily. Less than 50 minutes, and your capital will be multiple times. Getting multiple times. And this is the warning for anyone decided to enter the round 2. If this candle closes above 41, 33, 41 level, you can consider to close on the trade from this signal. Okay. If the candle is forming above the 41 level, 33, 41 level, you can close this trade. Exit from this trade, because that's the confirmation of the market that the bearish was beaten. Okay, anyone in the round 2, my friends watching my stream today? Round 2, 20 pips. Okay, so what are we expecting, right? So totally, around 40 minutes together, we gain around 65 pips together. Okay, that's very good, because you can follow my instruction. If you lower your trading volume, it will be more confident for you to trade this time, because it's already second round. And I just sent you the notice right? If it close above the 33.41 level, we can exit from this trade. Okay, that's very good. You're taking profit. It's still running. Yeah, 30 pips, we can close the part. And if you are already satisfied with 20 pips, you can close the part of the trade also. Okay, that's lovely. Okay, thanks a lot, Bear. Thank you so much for your attention and participating. Okay, so now we have around 50 friends is watching my stream today. So I hope all of you have profit from today's stream. Yeah. And as usual, you will see my gold trading plan. Yeah, I attacked on the left side of the chart. Yeah, on the left side of the chart. And yesterday, my gold trading plan also brought the victory to my participant. Yeah. Okay, so I'd like to update a bit that round 2, 30 pips. Okay, so today is another lovely day, right? Touch good that the market support for my stream today. Yeah, thank you for the big player. Thank you for the sharp support for my stream today and bring the profit to all of my followers on the YouTube today. Thank you for the sharks. Yeah, and now the market is supporting for my analysis, right? For my analysis, and yeah, sometimes it's gonna work or not, depends to the market willing, and a bit luck. Yeah, a bit luck. Oh, Prahlad, did you miss for the current signal, my dear? Did you enter for my stream today late? Did you late? Was you late, my friend? Okay, Nama. See you next time. Okay, see you. And now gold is to gradually follow this trend. Yeah, you can say that even though the market is just moving sideways, but we can capitalize the market range to bring profit, even though it's just a small profit, but we can be flexible to enter round 2 or third round. Yeah, this is the example. We can maximize the profit, right? And this is what we have based on the experience, trading experience. Okay, and for I don't know that today's stream any beginners, yeah, any beginners just joining the market watching my stream today. If yes, it's very convenient and suitable for you to join in my VIP signal group. Yeah, because it will help you to level up your trading journey. Yeah, your trading skill. No, round 3 we shouldn't. Yeah, just example. Yeah, just the example for you. I know that you will ask, and that's why I stop it. Yeah. Okay, Simon. Okay, very good. Milo, if you already entered 2 round, we should stop here. Yeah, we should stop here, because when one level the market has a lot of reaction, it will be less safe for the next round that we in. Okay. and we shouldn't do it anymore. So today is very happy for more than 70 pips profit, right? Just around 45 minutes. Yeah, 45 minutes. So this is another very lucky day for us. And as you can see, the summary table that I posted on the left side of the chart, we also gained another profit from yesterday trading news. Yeah, when the news released, and I can do the analysis based on the market movement like this, even though the market is just moving in a very small range. But when we can know how to set the good position to be in, this is very suitable for you to gain for the big profit. Yesterday was a very lovely day, and today is that too. So now you can see that the market is coming back to the above entry zone again. So we can easily identify the market range is just around 50 pips. From the below level around 36 to 30 to 41 to 40. To 50 to 40 pips, and it will explode severely in the New York session. This is the signal of the market. It's like a spring. It's like a spring. The more it's getting narrow, the more wide it's bounce. So highly pay attention to trade in the New York session, especially on Friday. The last session of a week. And it's gonna be pity and regret if you lost your profit from today trading session. Okay, so we should always let our guard up. Okay, never let our guard down, and always remember to set a stop loss order from every trade you are in. And if you decided to enter a lot of layers like I usually do, we need to control it quickly. We need to control it quickly. And at most, we should enter around 4 to 5 layers for one entry zone only. Okay, so this is my advice from the bottom of my heart for you, especially for the scalpers. Because I understand the passion when you are enter a lot of layer, click to the button on the chart, right? So it's gonna be very lureable, but we need to limit it. Shouldn't do it too much, especially for new traders. For beginners, we shouldn't do this. Okay, just be disciplined, follow enough entry zone, and set a stop loss and taking profits level, and wait for the market run. And let's see in the bigger time frame what is going on. Okay, so 36 level. 36 level will be the specific level for us to observe. If it breaks down, that the market decided to follow the bearish side. But it break out from this current trend line as we're heading up, recover to the higher level in today's New York session. And it also depends to the news that it's gonna be released today. The result. If the result is negative for gold, this negative for USD. This is another supported by a lot of buyers. And on the other hand, if gold, if this result is positive for USD, okay, so gold is continued to under a lot of pressure. selling pressure once again. That is the fundamental analysis. And relating to technical analysis, okay, I will remind you once again this specific level, 33.36. Yeah, 33.36. If it's break down, it will heading to the below level, 33.30. Okay. And in my point of view, that today will be another positive news for USD. Yeah, but this is my prediction. Yeah, my prediction. And we should wait for the market and the result release. Yeah, that is better for us. Okay, it's just heading down. It's refuse. It's reject the bullish determination and continue taking effect from this EMA 34. Yeah, you know that sometimes in a small time frame like 5 minutes, the market is still take the effect from the EMA 34. Yeah, so we never know what it's gonna be. So just choose the suitable trading method. Yeah, and be loyal to this. You will be get a good result. Alright, it's just coming back to another 30 pips. Yeah. Hi, Ariska. Isis Aga. Yeah. I hope that you did not late because we have 2 rounds for the current entry zone already. Yeah, and gain a lot of profit today. Okay, and now I'm about to end my stream, so I hope that today we have a lot of fun together and money. Yeah, put money in our pocket and spend it tomorrow. Have a lovely weekend with my friends, with our friends and family. Yeah, most of the time it will have the opposite reaction. Yeah, but sometimes it's gonna be opposite. It's gonna be consensus for gold and USD result. Yeah, sometimes that's a good news for USD, but gold increase, so we cannot know what is gonna be happen. So that is the reason why I advise you to wait around 10 to 15 minutes to set up the analysis. Yeah, set up the entry zone. Money come. Yes, it is. Okay, so today, so today is Friday. Thank God it's Friday, and I would like to end my stream early a bit before we enter to New York session. Yeah, it's gonna be a headache because you can quit early. You can quit your job early, but I will not. I will active until the end of New York session. So it's gonna be another times. Okay, and next week we will continue to trade real time together on YouTube. And welcome all my friends to follow me on Telegram channel to receive enough information that updating continuously about the market. Okay, not only gold but also the currency pairs and crypto, especially BTC USD. And one more time, I would like to say thank you for your kind support and always be side with me from my stream on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe me on YouTube to receive the notification whenever I start my stream. And don't be late because you don't know what you're gonna miss. Yeah, now I will end my stream, my dear. It's already near an hour. Yeah, already near an hour. And I really need some water now. Yeah, it's so tired. Yeah, actually that I speak more than 2 hours continuously. So yeah, so now I have some water and we'll get back to VIP signal group. And if you want to trade real time with me and support me from this trading journey, welcome to the VIP signal group. Yeah, on Telegram channel. Thank you and see you next time. Have a lovely weekend.